ate breakfast. We've been up since 5 a.m. Tegan had a bad dream. She was out here upset. And then Emery woke up. It was a whole thing. But she almost read a whole book. Yeah. Well, we read 2 books this morning at like 5:30. So you're already done with your reading for the day. So that's good. Anyways, we ate breakfast. Now we're waiting for Liam to wake up, and then we'll start morning time. Okay, Liam woke up, and we're gonna start morning time.
It's like it's looking at you. It's following you with its eyes.
Okay, we just finished morning time. It was a very late morning time. We did some funny stuff today. So I had the kids draw each other like Mona Lisa style, and then we just listened to somebody tell us facts about Mona Lisa. So it was really easy and it was funny, and I'll show you guys those pictures because they are hilarious, and Liam's is a little bit frightening and it's gonna probably give me nightmares, but okay. And then we just got a huge delivery of clothes. My daughter does modeling and they send us clothes. But I was gonna show you because it's so many. So I'll just fast forward this part, but you can get an idea. Velvet dress, it's actually really pretty. That's so cute. Yeah, so these were supposed to make them like Halloween-y, so we can do like a witch hat and a witch broom. So that would actually be a cute witch dress. Yeah. So it's like a little tip. Hold on, where am I?
Wait, I don't know. I see red.
See red. A little tip when you are doing a Halloween costume and your kid just wants to be a witch, get a like pretty dress. Not like the cheap Halloween costumey dress, because those are uncomfortable and they're so cheap. They won't last. But these, like, that would make a cute witch. And the bottom, so cute. All right, here's another really cute one. You can feel this. It feels so good.
I see something blue.
It's like a knit type.
I see blue.
Ooh, this would be like a cute Cinderella dress.
She has a yellow dress.
This is so, the material feels so soft, like a very, very soft sweater.
I love these.
And it's like, it's kind of heavy so she can wear it when it's cold.
I like this brand of clothes because like, they always have like the comfiest stuff.
And they usually always have like pockets and like real pockets.
I am obsessed with these dresses because if you are uncomfortable like me, so like
sensitive.
Yeah, sensitive. These cover it up. So I love it, and I'm really sensitive. It's pretty.
Yep. All right, that's it for the try-ons. Well, we didn't try it on. That's it for the slideshow of dresses. I don't know. All right, that's it for that. That was a lot. Yeah. All right, so Tegan is done with math. She still has those to do, but it's still early. We finished up math for the whole week except for her flashcards. I just use these boxes from the Good and the Beautiful to keep all, like, there's always like little things I need for math. So I wish I had just one big one to fit it all, but it's very unorganized. But that's me, just an unorganized mess. And Liam is almost done. I'm gonna go check on him and see what he's doing. All right, this is the book me and Liam are reading. I wouldn't say it's the best book, but it's okay. Right, so we are all done with school, and I am going to clean up this house, starting with the kitchen. It has been driving me nuts, but I made a promise this year to do the homeschooling first and then the cleaning, because I've learned from the past that if I tried to get my kitchen clean or my whole house clean before we homeschool, it just never works out like that. So, a little advice is just clean later or clean the night before, especially areas like the kitchen. Like, I should have done this the night before. Now I'm going to try to save these bananas and just freeze them because they are fighting for their lives. Right now I'm going to make a multi-purpose cleaner using alcohol, dish soap, and water. And then I put in a couple drops of essential oil just to make it smell a little bit good. Okay, the kitchen is somewhat clean. I still have to sweep and mop it. And then I'm done, but I'm losing some light. So I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching.